My evening routine starts when I get home, usually around 6 o'clock. The first thing I do is change out of my work clothes. It feels so good to put on comfortable clothes, like a t-shirt and sweatpants. I feel more relaxed immediately. After that, I go to the kitchen to make something to eat. I'm usually very hungry by this time. I don't always cook a big meal. Sometimes I just make a simple sandwich or heat up some leftovers. I always have a glass of water too. While I'm eating, I like to watch a little bit of TV. It helps me unwind after a stressful day at work. I usually watch a comedy show or a documentary. I'm not a big fan of the news in the evening. I find it too depressing. Next, I clean up the kitchen. I wash the dishes and wipe down the countertops. I like to keep my space tidy. Then, I take some time for myself. I usually sit on the sofa with a cup of tea. This is my me time. Sometimes I read a book, or I might just scroll through my phone for a while. I often check my messages and catch up with what my friends are doing. Around 9 o'clock, I start thinking about tomorrow. I prepare my things for the next day. I always pack my bag for work and lay out my clothes for the morning. I like to do this in advance because I hate rushing in the morning. Finally, I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I like to read a few pages of a book in bed before I go to sleep. It helps me fall asleep. I usually turn off the lights and close my eyes. And that is my evening routine. So, you heard me describe my evening. Now, let's look at some of the expressions I used. These are all very natural and useful for your everyday English. Number 1, change out of. Meaning, to remove clothes you are wearing and put on different ones. How to use it? We often use it to talk about changing from formal or uncomfortable clothes into more relaxed ones. Example, the first thing I do when I get home is change out of my work clothes. You can also say, I need to change out of these wet shoes. Number 2, unwind. Meaning, to relax and stop feeling worried or stressed. How to use it? It's a great alternative to the word relax. Example, I like to watch TV to unwind. You could also say, a warm bath is a great way to unwind at the end of the day. Number 3, me time. Meaning, time that you spend doing what you want to do, not working or doing things for other people. How to use it? This is a very common, informal expression. Example, I usually sit on the sofa for some me time. Another example, everyone needs a little me time sometimes. Number 4, in advance. Meaning, before a particular time or before something else happens. Beforehand. How to use it? We use it to talk about preparing for future events. Example, I like to pack my bag in advance. You can also say, thank you for telling me in advance. Number 5, fall asleep. Meaning, to begin sleeping. How to use it? It's different from go to bed. Go to bed means to get into bed, but fall asleep means to actually lose consciousness and sleep. Example, reading helps me fall asleep. Another example, I fell asleep during the movie last night. Now, let's talk about some common mistakes English learners often make. Let's fix them so you can sound more natural. Mistake number 1, incorrect, I am going to sleep at 11 p.m. Correct, I go to sleep at 11 p.m. Explanation, this is about your daily routine, a habit. For habits and routines, we use the present simple tense. I go, I eat, I watch. We use I'm going to for future plans, not for our regular schedule. Mistake number 2, incorrect, after work, I go for a home. Correct, after work, I go home. Explanation, home is a special word. We don't use to before it. We say go home, come home, or get home. We only use to with places like to the store or to work. Mistake number 3, incorrect, I like to make my teeth before bed. Correct, I like to brush my teeth before bed. Explanation, you make your bed, arrange the blankets, but you brush your teeth. clean them with a toothbrush. This is a very common collocation, which is a pair of words that naturally go together. All right, now it's your turn. I showed you my evening routine. Now let's practice talking about yours. I'm going to ask you some questions. Pause the video, think about your answer, and say it out loud. I'll also give you a model answer to help you. Question number 1. What is the first thing you do when you get home in the evening? Model answer: the first thing I do when I get home is change out of my work clothes and put on something comfortable. Question number 2. What do you like to eat for dinner? Model answer: I don't always cook a big meal. Sometimes I just make a simple sandwich or order some takeout. Question number 3. What do you do to unwind after a long day? Model answer: to unwind, I like to watch a little bit of TV or listen to some music. It helps me relax. Question number 4. What do you do to prepare for the next day? Model answer: I like to prepare my things in advance. I usually pack my bag and lay out my clothes for the morning so I don't rush the next day. Question 5. Do you read or watch something before you go to sleep? Yes, I always read a few pages of a book in bed. It helps me fall asleep. That's all for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed hearing about my evening routine. Now you have all the words and phrases to talk about yours. Thanks so much for watching Learn English with Mark. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe for more English stories. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.